Bonjour à tous, je suis le 564 de retour pour cet épisode de Sam et Max. Donc si vous vous souvenez, à l'épisode précédent, on avait vu un petit peu les alentours, on avait vu qu'on avait une voiture et on s'est rendu au laboratoire de Mama Bosco. Je sais plus trop où, mais on s'en fiche. On a remarqué que tout le monde s'en fichait royalement des hommes taupes et... Ok, je vais utiliser l'ascenseur, voir ce que ça donne. On va parler à Mama Bosco, parce que pourquoi pas.
What can I do for you boys?
Voyons voir.
Dr. Mama Bosco, your lab is actually pretty impressive. Bosco's inventions always kind of, well...
Sucked.
Yes. Well, he was always a special boy.
Have you heard from Bosco?
He sent a few postcards. He and that Bluster Blaster machine finally made it to Las Vegas.
I didn't know Bosco liked gambling.
He said he's got a system. Plus $15 billion left over from the money that some idiots gave him for his inventions.
I'm sure those idiots had very good reasons.
Bien sûr, les... Enfin bref, donc des idiots auraient donné de l'argent pour de très bonnes raisons. Tout le monde fait ça pour de très bonnes raisons.
How's the afterlife treating you, Mrs. Mama Bosco?
That's Dr. Mama Bosco. I spent the summer getting my PhD online.
Yeah, I started to do that, but I kept getting distracted by all the funny cat pictures.
You don't know how to use computers, Max. What's your doctorate in, Mama Bosco?
Bridging the trans-dimensional gap to return spirits to their corporeal form. My master's was in funny cat pictures.
Les images marrantes de chat.
Sounds like you're tired of being a ghost.
Oh, it's not all bad. I'm getting better at apparating. And now I don't leave a trail of ectoplasmic slime behind every time I leave the room.
That's better than Sam can say.
But I'll be glad when I finish my dimensional destabilizer and get my body back. I miss touching things.
Yeah, touching is my third favorite thing to do to things. In case anyone was curious, second is licking.
You're a doctor. Can you tell us anything about late-onset male psychic dysfunction?
Psychic powers? It's probably a melon-sized deadly tumor.
Probably.
Well, it could be mind worms, of course. But I don't want to be alarmist. Most likely it's the deadly tumor.
D'accord.
Couldn't Max just have the perfectly safe kind of non-lethal psychic powers?
Oh, it's Max. I'm sure it's nothing to worry about, then. Could you, have him stand a little farther away from my machines, though?
Are these psychic powers dangerous for Max at all?
Well, probably not, if he's careful and only uses them responsibly.
And what if it's Max?
Well, he'll overwork his brain so much that it catches fire and explodes.
Oh, I have got to see that.
You can't see that, Max. Your brain will catch fire and explode.
Well, that's why you'll have to record it for me, Sam. Duh.
Il aime les explosions et tout ça, donc son explosion, sa mort, il a envie de la voir. On doit l'enregistrer donc.
What's the deal with Harry Molman?
I don't know. Some things science can't explain. If you're asking why he's here, he's been pestering me to be my research assistant or something.
The friendly spirit says she can only speak through her trusted medium.
Give it up, Harry.
Sorry.
Il est où? J'ai pas
Did
vu
you
Harry.
hear about the alien gorilla that landed on our street?
Yeah, it came through on the news alert. Something about sharing alien technology and ending all poverty and disease on Earth, right?
Well, yeah, but that's just one part of why he's evil.
I'm sure he's fine. I'm even gonna ask him if he can help me finish my dimensional destabilizer.
I'd be careful around that General Skunk Ape.
You two don't trust anybody, do you?
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, what are you trying to pull?
Just wait till he helps me with my inventions. Then you'll see he's not such a bad guy.
Oui.
The new lab is, nice?
Thanks for saying so, but it needs work. Do you have any idea how hard it is to find abandoned real estate in Manhattan that's not already haunted?
It is a dyer's market.
I had to start reading the exorcism listings in the paper just to find a lead on this place.
Why didn't you just set up your lab in the inconvenience store?
Not everything happens on your street, Sam. Besides, that place isn't zoned for mixed-use haunting. They've got guys from the city coming by every day to evict me from this place. Only way to get rid of them is by making the walls bleed.
D'accord.
See you on the other side, Dr. Mama Bosco.
Not if I can get this destabilizer working.
On va voir. Harry la taupe. Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire?
Sensing that you want to ask me some questions.
Non, absolument pas. Les vacances, la tri... Bosco, Max. Les vacances. Juste par curiosité, est-ce qu'on n'aurait pas donné genre un billet... la dernière taupe qui a pris un billet de vacances, elle s'est pas retrouvée genre dans une machine et tout, elle s'est fait complètement déchiqueter en morceaux et tout. On va voir tout ça.
What are you doing here, Harry?
I'm working as Mama Bosco's lab assistant.
I never hired him.
She says I'm perfect for the job,
But you don't know anything about science.
Or hygiene.
which means I'll never go mad and take over the lab for my own twisted experiments. I'm perfect.
Ah, c'est pas faux.
I thought you already had a job.
Apparently, there was some kind of power shakeup. I got laid off. You guys aren't looking for another partner, are you?
We'll keep your resume on file in case there's an opening. If you can talk to the dead, maybe you know about psychic powers?
Sam's worried about my brain because I can see the future now.
Psychic powers? There's no such thing. They just made that up to sell documentary TV series back in the 70s.
See, Sam, there's nothing to worry about.
Well, unless they're caused by a giant deadly tumor.
Toujours cette tumeur qui reviendra.
Are you sure that you're compatible with Mama Bosco?
Of course. I've been blessed with the unique ability to communicate with the recently deceased.
Only you can see me, huh? How many fingers am I holding up?
Only one! Ha! See? I am... Oh.
En gros, lui faire dos d'honneur. Putain, le pauvre. Pauvre petit Harry.
You know, Harry, we can all see and hear Mama Bosco.
That's just a manifestation of the unconscious... Oh, who am I kidding? You're right. I'm just useless.
Come on, Harry. You're not just useless.
He's right. You're totally useless.
If money's tight, maybe you should try the lottery.
I've got a really good feeling about your chances this time.
Yeah, the lottery's just for unemployed losers who don't understand how numbers work.
So how many tickets have you bought?
12. No, wait, 1.
Il sait même pas compter.
Did you hear about General Skunkape's fabulous off-world vacations?
What mole man hasn't heard about it? It's the talk of the 5 boroughs.
Why don't you go try it out?
I was at a job interview when they gave out the tickets. By the time I got back, it was already too late.
Je crois que j'ai une idée diabolique. J'ai une idée diabolique.
See you around, Harry.
And cheer up. You'll get what's coming to you.
That's what I'm afraid of. And ghosts.
Quoi? Les pas des fantômes.
I know what would cheer you up, Harry. An all-expenses-paid vacation.
You actually have one of Skunkapi's golden tickets? Well, that's a nice gesture, but I don't take charity. I'd have to give you something in return.
You wouldn't happen to have a lottery ticket, would you?
Well, sure, I buy one every week, but it's worthless. I never win anything. I mean, it's incredibly valuable to me. I don't know if I could part with it.
Okay then, see ya, Harry.
Wait, I can part with it. Just give me that vacation ticket.
L'idée
So
diabolique.
long, suckers! Prepare yourselves, mole women of outer space. The love digger is on his way. Oh.
Whee!
Oh le pauvre. Est-ce que vous vous rendez compte ce qu'on a fait? On vient de l'envoyer à la mort. Juste pour un ticket de loterie. Regardez, c'est quoi ce truc là?
Hey, neat. The eerie oozing remains of Mama Bosco's ghostly visitations.
Oh, that must be ectoplasmic jelly, 'cause ectoplasmic jam don't shake like that.
Okay.
It's Mama Bosco's dimensional destabilizer thing.
Push that green button. What's the worst it could do?
Tear a hole in the fabric of existence and bring the Elder Gods back to this dimensional plane.
Oh. What happens if you double-click it?
Bah, je pense que ça fera ça en 2 fois, genre il y aura 2 fois plus de dieux anciens qui apparaîtront. Bon, je pense qu'on a vu à peu près tout ce qu'il y avait à... il était pas en bas là, genre il y a 2 secondes. Ouais, c'est pas grave. Oui, j'adore. Je pense que... Je pense avoir compris. Je suis...
You guys ready to help us fight crime?
We're still on the search for new recruits.
If you spot any unused office equipment, be sure to hook a brother up.
Ok. Quoi? Non, je veux juste la carte. Attends quand même les... Notre voiture comme ça avec nos bonhommes dedans. Enfin bref, donc on va là. C'est une conduite vraiment irréprochable. Rien à dire. Les pigeons. Up. Oui, bien sûr. Je pense qu'on va pas parler au singe, on lui a assez parlé. Voyons voir. On sait de l'épisode précédent que Harry est censé gagner avec son ticket de loterie. On a envoyé Harry à la mort et on lui a volé son ticket. Et qui a besoin d'argent? Enfin surtout avec la vision du futur qu'on avait eu grâce à Max. De lui.
What is it now?
Oh.
Stay cheerful, Grandpa Stinky.
C'est pas ça. Il faut prendre le ticket et lui donner.
We're all torn up about stealing your patent 30 years ago, Grandpa Stinky. Maybe this will make up for it.
A lottery ticket. Don't you know that nobody ever wins these
We interrupt
stupid...
this program for a breaking news bulletin. Officials for the city's $700 million lottery jackpot drawing have announced that there is one winning ticket sold to unemployed and somewhat pathetic Molopolis resident Harry Molman. This just in a surprising upset, we're told that the winning ticket was transferred to local diner owner Grandpa Stinky. Sorry, Harry Molman. Better luck next time.
Did you hear that? I told ye I would win. Woohoo! So long, suckers!
We've been hearing that an awful lot lately.
What about your super secret demon broth?
Take it. After today, I never need to worry about money again.
Ok, donc du coup il s'est barré et... Potion des... Attends. J'avais même pas remarqué ça dans l'épisode précédent. J'avais même pas remarqué ça.
We better find a use for this quick, Max. I don't like the way it sloshes around in my coat and gets everything disconcertingly moist.
Oh sure, blame the demon broth.
Bon. Du coup... On lui a donné l'argent, on a récupéré ça. Je sais pas pourquoi, mais j'ai l'impression que si on lui avait pas donné, on n'aurait pas pu le récupérer. Maintenant, à quoi ça peut servir? Est-ce que ça peut pas nous faire passer de l'autre côté? Ça m'étonnerait. Et pourquoi pas? Il y a plein de cafards.
It's some kind of mysterious tunnel.
I love those!
It's too bad we can't reach it from here.
Ah oui, c'est vraiment dommage. Je suis sûr qu'on peut à un moment ou un autre. Il manque une taupe. Ok, c'est juste un déchet qui flotte.
much as I'd love to get over there, I'm not quite willing to swim through the muck.
Come on, I dare ya.
Alors, quand j'ai cliqué là-dessus, il a fait le tour, il est arrivé là, puis il s'est téléporté ici, d'accord? On va... Bon, détail. Bref. Ça m'étonnerait que ça me fasse passer. À quoi ça pourrait servir? Honnêtement. À quoi ça pourrait servir? Il y avait une cervelle là-dedans qui était censée être vivante. Sauf qu'elle était morte quand on y était arrivé. Et oui, la cervelle était morte donc. J'ai un léger doute de ce qu'il faut faire. J'ai l'impression en fait que... J'adore faire ça. J'ai l'impression que ce qu'il faut faire en fait c'est... Est-ce que j'ai raison?
It's too bad you don't have a nose, cause you smell delicious.
He died too soon, I'm assuming. How are we going to wake him up?
You must figure out how to do it eventually, Sam. He was awake in the future.
Well, that's going to be pretty clever of me. I wonder how I end up doing it.
Attends. Il est pas revenu à la vie? Oh. Oh. Attends, on va essayer de voir. On va essayer de voir.
You did it, Sam and Max. You awakened me from the sleep of 100 deaths. How did you do it?
Well, that's encouraging.
So, how did we do it?
I don't know. We haven't done it yet. I know. What if you use that future vision on me?
T'es où? T'es où? T'es où? Voilà.
You did it, Sam and Max. You awakened me from the sleep of 100 deaths. How did you do it?
Easy peasy. All it took was Stinky's demon broth and Mama Bosco's futuristic power core.
Oh!
You heard the mean little buddy. We've got to find some demon broth and Mama Bosco's futuristic power core.
En fait, j'aurais dû faire ça pour savoir, sauf que j'ai pas eu besoin. Ok. Pourquoi pas, Bah, du coup, on va prendre la batterie Overcheat. La super méga giga batterie. Parce que c'est ce qui nous manque. Donc on va aller la chercher. Et c'est cool d'aller chercher des batteries. On a vraiment que ça à faire de nos journées. Je sais pas pourquoi, mais j'ai l'impression qu'il faut aller voir ce bonhomme. Bonjour monsieur. Ah, lui, quand il demande un truc, il est servi au moins.
Hey, it's Flint Paper.
Hey, you furry pals.
Maybe Flint can help us with our case, Sam.
Anytime, fellas. Except now. Would you look at that? Stinky's prize-winning spaghetti. A private dick's gotta eat, you know.
Ok, on peut pas lui parler.
Do you know anything about a missing power core, Flint?
Give me a break, Sam. I haven't eaten a thing since that yak's blood on my Himalayan caper. And some gummy worms. Come back when I'm done eating, would ya?
Il a vraiment envie de bouffer ce mec. On va juste voir. Je pense qu'on va essayer d'utiliser ça plus souvent parce que ça peut être utile.
Tell Doris. Sorry. I wasn't more careful.
Oh no! Now we'll never be able to find Mama Bosco's power core. Wow, that looked painful.
Oh! Je suppose que c'est le futur, on peut pas empêcher ça, donc... désolé mec, tu vas te prendre un tomahawk dans la tronche. Je suis sûr que ça ira. C'est cool les tomahawks, ça fait pas trop mal. Enfin... probablement un petit peu, je sais pas, ça va peut-être chatouiller. Et en plus, ils ont pris le tomahawk alors qu'il a même pas goûté à ses pattes. Allez, on va aller vers la voiture. Et on va prendre la carte. Et on va se déplacer vers le laboratoire. Je suis sûr que c'est là qu'il faut aller. Mais non, c'est pas ça ce que je... Ah oui. Non, c'est pas ce que je voulais faire. Demi-tour. Tout. Je suis pas sûr que ça se dit, mais c'est pas grave. J'adore comment il le fait voler comme ça d'une grosse gifle comme ça. Genre normal, sans état d'âme, sans état d'esprit. Je me demande si on...
What can I do for you boys?
Je me demande si on peut... Ah, super batterie, ça y était pas ça avant.
About a power core?
Where did you hear about that?
From magazines? About pamphlets?
I had a power core stolen from my lab.
Who do you think stole your power core?
No idea. I've got a, real detective on the case, though.
It's a good thing we're trying to steal it too, or we'd be offended by that remark.
Couldn't have come at a worse time either. I've almost got my dimensional destabilizer working, but the dimensional rift generator is useless without power.
Man, if I had a nickel for every time I didn't understand what you just said.
Donc du coup elle est emmerdée, on est tous emmerdés parce que il n'y a pas la batterie.
What a question! It looks like a power core. You know, that's like asking what a Vanderpump particle emitter looks like.
Ok.
See you on the other side, Dr. Mama Bosco.
Eh bien je suppose qu'on va le retrouver. Enfin qu'on doit le retrouver. Alors déjà il n'est pas dans le laboratoire, il va arriver dedans, voilà, comme ça genre coucou. Donc il n'est pas dans le laboratoire. Logique, bref. Par contre, est-ce qu'on peut aller à un autre endroit pour essayer de le chercher? Ça va nous mener où en fait? Je sais qu'on avait une vision du futur où on était censé faire ça. Est-ce que ça va nous servir à quelque chose? Ok. Je pense qu'il n'y a pas grand chose à voir ici. Je supposerais. Et descendez un peu plus vite. Il saute comme ça, genre normal et tout. Et une gifle. Une gifle, une gifle, une gifle, une gifle. Oh, dommage. D'incendie.
Now, I already took care of that before we left.
D'accord. Je comprends la blague. J'adore ces bruits. On peut pas aller plus loin? Non. Est-ce qu'il y a un autre endroit où on pourrait aller? C'est la question. Est-ce qu'on peut aller au laboratoire? On peut aller... place principale? Non, il n'y a pas d'autre endroit. Bon. Bah c'est cool. Qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire? Je sais pas sur quoi il l'a bloqué mais bon. Ah on peut rien faire d'autre, d'accord, on peut juste... on peut... non, ok. Bah je pense qu'on retourne à la voiture.
Hello and welcome to the COPS version 2.5.
Super
Do you
batterie.
guys know where to find something called a power core?
What's his problem?
We were forced to witness Mama Bosco tearing apart circuit boards to construct her power core. We prefer not to talk about it.
It was horrible.
D'accord, donc ils sont inutiles.
See ya, cops.
End of line.
Ils sont complètement inutiles. J'ai l'impression qu'il y a toujours le même pigeon qui revient au même endroit et tout. Quoi? Attends, que je suis... Quoi? Je suis sur le parc-mètre.
Did you remember to feed the parking meter, Max?
I slaved all day over a hot stove for it, and do I hear one word of thanks?
Et toi tu veux... Toi tu veux qu'il te remercie?
It's been months and they still haven't sealed up this crack. Somebody should do something about it.
I say we all wear gray ribbons to raise crack awareness.
J'adore. Bref. Je suppose qu'on a eu cette vision avec Flint qui se prend un tomahawk dans la tronche. C'est pas pour rien. Ça m'étonnerait vraiment que ce soit pour rien.
Any idea when you'll be done eating, Flint?
Heck, I don't know, Sam. Sometime in the future, all right?
How about now?
It'd be a lot sooner if you stop asking me, okay, champ?
Non.
Looks like somebody had an old ship's wheel lying around and just threw it up on the wall.
You hear the phrase threw it up on the wall a lot around here. Whee!
Si téléphone public.
This phone only accepts Dutch guilder coins.
Sorry, Sam. All I've got are some yuan, a few euros, and $6 in Italian lira.
Where do you keep all that change?
In my sock, of course.
You're naked. Where do you keep your sock?
That's none of your damn business. Let's take DeSoto for a spin, Sam. I want to see what evil the cops have wrought.
Quoi? Là j'ai entendu parler de la police. Enfin, de police. Donc je pense qu'il fait allusion aux robots. Et les robots ils sont dans notre bagnole. Et on va voir
Hello and welcome to the COPS version 2.5.
Bon ok, il y a
See ya, cops.
End of line.
Why do we have jumper cables? Neither of us knows how to use them.
It's simple, Sam. The red cable goes on the right nipple, and the black cable clamps to the
Neither of us knows how to use them legally, Max.
Attendez. Le câble de batterie. Je me demande si ça c'est pas censé aller sur une batterie. Bah du coup on va sauvegarder là, enfin je vais faire une petite sauvegarde. Et donc du coup je vous dis salut et à plus.